you really need a specialized partner to assist with CRM on demand?
Kind of like how we point and click to load Skype for this conversation, right, Joe? It's clearly you may hear that in the marketplace. That the notion of OPN specialization is helping partners demonstrate the capabilities around a product. Mm-hmm. How that product is deployed by customers, meaning whether it's deployed in a traditional on-premise method where the customer themselves support and maintain the application, or whether it's hosted and maintained by us or a third party, really is independent of a partner being able to demonstrate their competencies around the product. How does it work? How do I deploy it? How do I change my business processes? How do I integrate it with other components? How do I manage security? How do I configure it? All those are components that are important, regardless of whether it's a on-premise deployed application or a SaaS application.
Okay. And for the integrator or the solutions provider, it sounds like there's a lot of opportunity to do some customization work as part of a CRM on-demand deployment. Yeah,
I mean, the root of your question is what's the business opportunity, right, for our partners around this, and it's interesting when I look at our business with partners around CRM on demand. It's our fastest growing segment and has been for the last year. And what that means is partners are investing in building out their capabilities to sell and deploy CRM on demand. And the answer is yes, because there's opportunity for them around customization, as you pointed out, but also around integration to third parties and legacy systems and so on. And then also the business process change that comes with that. So there's, very, very seldom when you're talking about enterprise customers who are looking to manage sales, service, and marketing, the chances of them being able to deploy that without impacting their business processes is pretty slim. So partners are clearly seeing the value, regardless, again, of whether it's the CRM solutions are deployed in a SaaS offering or in a on-demand environment.
Now, in terms of actual partners succeeding, it's one thing to say, hey, we've got these specializations and it's great for partners, but can you give me any real-world examples of a partner that's either succeeding with CRM on demand or with the e-business suite?
Absolutely. I mean, I referenced earlier partners large and small. So we're seeing a number of our large global SIs leverage the OPN specialized framework and then use that in sales cycles to help customers understand where they focused and where they've invested. And there's a large number of those. We've also seen it in terms of our e-business suite and CRM on demand resellers. So firms like AMX or Lucidity or DAS come to mind as partners who clearly recognize this program we put in place as an opportunity for them to differentiate their capabilities and their competencies. And then the last example is someone who's a guest of yours in another segment, Intellinex. Mm-hmm. Intellinex is well down the path of focusing both on e-business suite and CRM on demand specialization because, again, they recognize taking advantage of the curriculum and the training we've made available to help them be successful. But probably more importantly is their ability to differentiate their capabilities and their competencies to the sales force at Oracle, so that we're engaged with them, but also to the end customer.
All right. Well, Tyler, thanks for the overview.
Hey, it's great. Thanks, Joe. I appreciate it.